Well, the wind has died down a little bit. The thing is, if I put my arm out, I can feel the wind. But if I'm under the oven ready, I don't feel anything. It does a really good job blocking the wind. I mean, my elbow is a little bit cold because the under blanket doesn't, it's not complete coverage because it's a single under blanket, 21 quid, not a double hammock sized under blanket. But now I've extended it a little bit, just like, you know, coupling, it's doing a better job. So the under blanket, under quilt, really good job. The I'm glad it's not raining. I mean, it's going to piss down soon. I just honestly, I'm not that bothered about the rain. Between the plastic, which for some reason hasn't blown away. It's still there. Between that and the oven ready, I should stay fairly dry if it does rain. But yeah, it's a bit breezy. Oh well. So I guess the sun went down an hour ago and it's still reasonably light out there. It's just everything's kind of flattened from the wind. It's one of those times. I was looking at the hammocks and the ones that have a guy rope that holds it up. That is very appealing right now. The pop-up one like this with the underwire brass stuff is great if it's not very windy. But when it's this windy, you do something to give it a bit more structure. But then if you had the guy ropes holding it up, would it handle the wind? Would it just rip? God, it's fucking cold. If I'm underneath this, I'm fine. Oh well, another downtime. More vodka. Vodka! Safe to say, it's not getting any calmer with the wind. No idea what time it is, but I'm protected from the wind. It's just fucking noisy. And it hasn't ripped off yet, I'm surprised. But yeah, it's a bit windy. It's awesome. I want to piss. I mean, yes, if I would have constructed it differently, it would have been different, but I really do need to get a bigger tarp. That's the right size. Oh well. I'm glad I put that bloody thing down lower. Yeah, I think the tree that I tied it to, one of the trees, of the many trees I've used, has broken, because that paracord's a lot closer than it used to be. It did feel a few times now that I'm being battered by a giant fucking hand. The entire hammock is getting slung around a lot. Now, it's not the wind doing that. It's one of the trees it's tied to, because the wind is that fucking horrendous. It has calmed down the past 2 or 3 minutes, but oh well.